For a check on the forecast. Michael, I guess if you're going outside, maybe this morning is the best time to get things done.
Yeah, Jen, the earlier the better, because we will have some thunderstorms later today, but at least for right now in East Alabama, here's the live view. Talladega Superspeedway, a few clouds already beginning to move back in, but the radar completely quiet here early this Saturday morning, at least in Alabama. East Mississippi, we do have a couple of showers over there just west of Sumter County in Alabama. So if you're traveling out of Sumter County, the eastern part of Mississippi, a couple of very spotty downpours. But the live view from the BJCC, notice how temperatures will warm quickly. We'll have highs in the low to middle 90s, and with the humidity in place, we do have a heat advisory in effect for much of central Alabama, with the exception of the far eastern counties. It will feel between 104 as high as 108 later on this afternoon, but any thunderstorm, obviously, that it does develop will temporarily cool us down, but some of those thunderstorms could become strong in association with this cold front. Yes, it's a cold front up to the northwest of us, so it's going to take a while to get that through here, but once it does happen, we'll have some very nice changes for next week. But in the meantime, we have a lower end severe weather threat mainly this afternoon due to the possibility for some gusty straight line wind. And then tomorrow, the severe threat increasing just a bit. On a scale of 1 to 5, we'll jump up to a 2. This entire area highlighted in yellow from Birmingham Point south all the way down to Montgomery and then down I-65. That will include the potential for some large hail. But either day, both Saturday and Sunday, we're not expecting an all-day washout. But on the other hand, be prepared for a storm at any point, especially during the afternoon hours. So this is the futurecast now. As early as lunchtime, a couple of showers possible over East Alabama, the main area of rain over the northern part of the state. Then as we transition into the afternoon, the rain and thunderstorms becoming more widespread. And then all the way into late this evening, we will become dry. And then during the day tomorrow, doing it all over again. Again, mainly in the morning, we're dry. Then by the afternoon hours, these thunderstorms, not only some heavy downpours and frequent lightning, but gusty wind and the possibility for some large hail. Then that front will move on through here. So for Bowling and Bragging this evening at the Crestline Village, just be prepared for some thunderstorms at times. But for all outdoor plans, just don't cancel them. Just have a plan B and ready to go indoors at any point. Hurricane Ernesto, now a Category 1 hurricane, passing over Bermuda. Sustained winds now at 85 miles per hour. Will continue to track to the north and eventually the northeast. Absolutely no problem at all for the Gulf of Mexico. Now heading into next week, we have some very nice changes ahead. Once that cold front moves through tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, the humidity levels coming back down. It won't feel exactly like fall, but we'll get a little bit of a touch of it perhaps in some of the morning hours as lows dip down into the 60s, but then the afternoons, plenty of sunshine by Monday and Tuesday, noticeably lower humidity, highs holding in the upper 80s rather than the low to middle 90s with high humidity levels we've been dealing with over the past several days. Jim.
Well, speed dating